bum ba ba bum bum ba bum bum ba ba bum bum ba bum bum ba ba bum bum ba bum bum ba ba bum bum ba bum.
Sometimes it feels like we're galaxies away. What can we do to remove this empty space? We're galaxies away.
You're all the way up there, and I'm down here, becoming more and more like when I'm around here. You're too far away to free me, so I'm bound here. Which is why when you speak, it don't sound clear. I try to stretch my arms, but my reach is limited. I jump to fight gravity, but I'm not winning it. I cry for my heart, but it's too much sin in it. Which is why I'm doubting the fact that you wanna live in it. My eyes are my soul's windows, but I tinted them. I'm not innocent and doubt you forgiving it. I feel unworthy cause I slipped up and sinned again. Couldn't read your words, so I thought I was illiterate. I'm sitting and thinking about the word him. Between the H and the M, gotta put I where the center is. Cause reaching you is not a matter of time and space. It's a matter of finding a place I can find my grace.
Sometimes it feels like we're galaxies away. Sick of these stars and planets stuck in the way. What can we do to remove this empty space? We're galaxies away.
I was trying to find you in the physical. It's easier to believe in what's visible. People think there's no way we can get to you. You send a message and the stars is how you get it through. And the alignment of the planets when they shift and move. Like your presence a place NASA can get us to. But that isn't true, more like idolatry. We're not close till we replace you with astrology. We blame you for the state of the world and economy, when we're the ones looking for cancer like oncology. I understand we experience you differently. Some just believe, while others they need to seek. I know it's hard to believe in the invisible, yet we believe in the wind cause we feel it blow. I wonder if we feel you in that same way, will they still believe your galaxies away?
If the planets collide, together we'll fight. There's a comet of love, and it's waiting on us. And together we'll fly through the depths of the sky till we land on the moon. Sometimes it feels like we're galaxies away. Sick of these stars